What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Plays Case 5 back with another video, and today we have a cleaning on a pair of shoes. I should have gotten a while ago, but I'm just not getting them. But it's cool. It's actually one of my friends. He goes to my school, and but these are from a concert, from a trail concert that's down here at the Merriweather Pavilion. I don't know why it's not picking up as much dirt, but look, there you go. You can see how dirty these shoes are. Here's the other shoe. But we're about to get these. We're about to get them looking right again. So I'm about to get my hot water, my Rejuvenator, 3-brush laundry kit, and we're gonna start, so let's go. Alright, YouTube, it's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm gone.